Hello traders and welcome to OptionsXO's Tuesday edition London Session Market Review. Overnight data shows Chinese inflation cooling with the consumer price index up 0.3 month on month, but down on the yearly reading. With traders awaiting a new interest rate from India's central bank, most indexes ended the session flat to slightly up. After exports showed a marked drop last week, expectations are for China's central bank to also launch additional easing measures. In Europe, after yesterday's Sentix indicator showed a tripling of investor confidence, last night's British Retail Consortium reading showed that Brits, too, are relatively unconcerned with their decision to leave the Union. After June's 0.5% contraction, July shows a 1.1% rise in sales value. That's a 6-month record thanks to good weather and sales promotions. Unfortunately, the pound extended losses overnight due to dovish comments from Central Bank Committee member Joe McCafferty, who said further monetary easing is required. Meanwhile, German industrial production for July rose considerably, but it's not expected to contribute to the quarterly GDP results. And while the US continues to fact-check Donald Trump's economic address yesterday, US equities slipped in spite of gains in the energy sector and last week's positive labor data. US bonds are also retreating in spite of a renewed interest in potential rate hikes this year, as banks around the world continue to lower their key rates. The oil surge that reversed falling prices as last week ended has ended thanks to profit-taking and glut fears overtaking any hopes of a freeze by OPEC at its August meet in Algiers. The meeting balloon was first raised by Venezuela's oil minister Del Pino, but a 300,000 barrel build at Cushing, Oklahoma might be confirmed by tonight's API crude inventories report later tonight. And the drop in gold is holding for the moment above the 1335 mark as Friday's NFP waves recede into the past. On the agenda for today at 8:30 this morning, we're expecting industrial and manufacturing production plus June's trade balance from the UK. At 12:15, Canada's housing starts, and at 5:1, the Red Book Index from the US. At 2, wholesale inventories, and at 8:30 p.m, the API's weekly crude oil inventories report. That was our morning review. Have a happy and profitable trading day.